Let me show you how to make a YouTube Kids channel. After you open YouTube Kids, click on Get Started. Click on the arrow pointing at the right side at the bottom right corner. Over here where it says select an account, select a Google account which you want to use to create YouTube Kids account. So I will select one of my account from here and click on sign in. Once you're in this step, click on done at the bottom. And since I've already created an account, I can click on it and go into it, but I'm going to show you how to create an account. So I'll click on plus and create another account. And I will use this Google account. So I need to enter the password. So I will enter the password and click on confirm. And on this page, you need to enter the name for your YouTube Kids. So I will name it something like 4. And then I will put the age to 5 because that's going to be the age of my kid. And I will enter the birth month over here, February. Okay. Now we need to click on the arrow pointing at the right side at the bottom right corner. And then choose anyone from this category. So I will just choose older, age 9 to 12. And click and select at the bottom. And then basically click on the arrow pointing at the right side at the bottom right corner again. And by doing that, my YouTube Kids account has been created. Now I can just click on the logo and start using YouTube Kids like this. Hope I was able to help you guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.